good. So as you can see, they take a foam brush and they go with the sealer right over the freshly cleaned teak and over the silicone Sikoflex, the black Sikoflex that you see there. And then with a rag, he'll go back over the Sikoflex and wipe off the excess sealer that has been applied by the foam rag. So you see it comes off really nicely, gives a really nice, beautiful sealed look to it. And it wipes directly off of the fiberglass as well. So a nice finished look. I hope you found this little glimpse of a video helpful and informative on sealing your teak. If you have any questions about this, I would say contact your local detailer and they can get you set up. But this is a good example of what it looks like and how easy it is to apply a teak sealer to your vessel. Thank you again, and I hope you found this helpful and informative.